Salzburg, Austria, one of the most beautiful towns in Europe, holds a lot of historical significance. It is also home to the famous composer and musician of all times, the Mozart. Salzburg lies on the banks of the river Salzach, and to connect to one side of the city to another, people use foot overbridges here. First notable bridge is the Lovelock Bridge. Of all the bridges, this is the most modern and is popular amongst lovers. The tradition is to write your love for each other on the padlock before locking it and throwing the key into the river. Romance is your thing. You could start your day by visiting Mirabell Palace. Its origins lie in a love story, as it was built by a prince as a pleasure palace where he could spend time with his mistress. Your children will particularly enjoy the Dorf Garden of the palace. It's a must-do for them. Next on our list was the Hohensalzburg Fortress. It's one of the largest medieval castles in Europe and was built by the Archbishop to protect from invasions from Turkish in the 16th and the 17th century. We took a funicular lift to the castle. Well, you're free to walk up to it as well. Funicular offers a beautiful bird's eye view of the city, and it itself is an experience, especially for kids. The castle is massive. I found the view from the top to be the most impressive feature here. There's also a lookout tower you can get to by going upstairs. You can explore the Fortress Museum and royal apartments, attend dinner and concert at the Golden Hall. One thing that particularly caught our attention was the Salzburger Tower. It is one of the world's last surviving late Gothic hornworks and is the oldest mechanical musical instrument still played regularly. It was now time to head to Mozart's birthplace, which is also one of the most visited museums in Austria and an absolute highlight for Mozart's fans. The Mozart family lived on the third floor of the Hagener House. On exhibit in the historical rooms are the manuscripts, documents and souvenirs, his childhood violin and the clavichord on which he composed several pieces. And what is probably the most famous portrait of Mozart, painted 2 years before his death by his brother-in-law Joseph Lard. For some time, we casually strolled in the market square and then headed straight to the Christmas market. The season in Salzburg begins a little early, typically around the middle of November, as it allows prolonged celebration filled with music, culture, tradition, making it one of the most enchanting places to experience the holiday spirit. I was aware Salzburg is known for its food, but this candy apple and chocolate banana was my absolute favorite. And of course, we wouldn't have left Austria without trying the original Sacher Torte. And trust me guys, it was amazing. There's lots more to be explored in this magical town, which I'm definitely going to do in my next vacation here. If you guys liked my video, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel. Bye.